Hello everyone and welcome. This tutorial will show you how to make this liquid marble effect. Alright, select a rectangle. I always start with rectangles, I'm not sure why. Anyway, create a rectangle and give it a color. Feel free to choose any color. Go to Object Selection, go to Path and Object to Path. This way we have the access to all the nodes in the rectangle. Go to Node Selection, select all the nodes and click once in this one to add one node in each side. Now select the nodes in the sides, left and right, and add more nodes. Now let's select all the nodes and add even more. Click twice. This will be enough. Let's go to Object Selection, hit Ctrl V to duplicate the object. Be sure you have the snapping tools enabled, snapping options, same as I have, and snap it. Now change the color, hold Shift and click the left arrow key so the object goes one step to the left to overlap the other object, and do the same things for all the other objects, so we don't have any gaps while sculpting. I will do the same process for these rectangles. Again, select everything and do the same thing and the same thing. Once you're done, select everything and resize it. Let's go to Object Selection, select everything. Go to Node Selection actually and select all the nodes and select Auto Smooth nodes. Go to Object Selection and select all the objects and go to Object and select Group. With the object selected, go to Sculpt Tools and be sure you have the same settings here. Fidelity to 85. Force to 100 and width 15. Now let's start sculpting. There are no rules here, so simply sculpt to your liking and make some crazy things. If you give the fidelity a low value, you will lose some precision and you'll get some gaps between the rectangles. I'll show you giving it a very low value and start sculpting. As you can see, got some weird distortion and some gaps between the rectangles. So be sure to give the fidelity a very high value, like 85. Don't go too high. Don't go for 100. This might crash. And go very slow in sculpting to have a more effective distortion. And you also have to be patient in this process. This process is also satisfying so enjoy it. Sped up the video so it doesn't take too long. Once you're done, create a rectangle and resize it. This will be for the clipping. Select both of the objects, the rectangle and the objects behind it. Both of them. Right click and select or choose set clip. I want to snap it to the page, so I enabled the snapping tools there and snap it. So this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something, and thank you for watching. Bonus tip: double click the object. Now you have the ability to select any object inside this group. Select any object that you want to change the color. Go to edit and choose select same and choose fill color. This selects all the objects of the same color. This is a very fast way to change the color of all the objects. So this is the bonus tip. Hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching. Peace.